Greetings and welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be providing a concise yet informative video on deployment process for a simple Python application which utilizes the flask framework. And without any delay, let's commence the demonstration. So I'm going to open my favorite terminal now, which is Git Bash. So going over to Git Bash, open Git Bash as admin. Yes, I'm going to expand this a little bit more for better visualization. I'm going to zoom in a little bit. I think it's fine now. So before you commence this, make sure Python is running on your local environment and make sure Flask is running as well. So if I check on my computer now, my local environment now, to check if Python is running, if I do Python -- version, no, that's wrong. Python -- version, you can see I have Python 3 running on my local environment, and if I do flask -- version, I have flask also running. So you need these two things to proceed with this demonstration. Without these two pieces of software, you will be unable to complete this demonstration. So please install Python. You might need install Python and install Flask in your environment. You will always need these two stuff. So please reinstall these two things. So now the next thing is to create a file where you're going to store your code. And I'm going to use my favorite editor, which is Vim. Vim has a lot of coloration. That is why I like Vim. You can use Nano, VI, whatever you choose to use, whatever editor you desire. So mine is, I use Vim. So I'm going to create a file with Vim called audi.py. Whatever name you choose is okay, but make sure it ends in a .py file. So I'm going to go into this file now, and I already have the Flask code written. So I'm going to make a little bit of changes just to make it make the application a little bit more meaningful. So I for insert, and I'm going to paste my code here. So here is my code. There are a lot of places you can get codes online. You can go to Google to just write to lift a simple Python application, or you can use ChatGPT to write a simple Flask code, Python code, whatever, just a simple one for your own demonstration. So I'm just going to put in a little bit more of stuff here. I love DevOps. DevOps is good technology, making the world a lot more easier. Okay, now I'm going to save up this file. Save this file, and we are almost done. The next thing you need to do is just tell Python to run this application, and that's it. So I'm going to do Python audi.py. What you are doing right is just telling Python, please, can you run this application? So once you do Python, your application name .py, Python will go ahead and run the code that you save in this particular file. So if I hit enter now, this application is running. And to access this application in HTTP, just copy this HTTP address here, copy this, add to your favorite browser. So put it here, enter, and there you go. That's your simple Python application deployed on Flask framework in about 5 minutes. I don't think this took about 5 minutes. So this is, I love DevOps. DevOps is good technology, making the world a lot more easier. So this is the way to deploy a simple Python application running on a Flask framework. However, if you want to deploy Python application in production environments, you are going to use a much more secure and more sophisticated technology than Flask. So I will make another video for that. That is deploying Python application in production environments. But please like this video, share this video, and help move this channel forward. I hope I've been able to impact a little bit of knowledge into whoever is watching, wherever you're watching. And thank you for your time. I appreciate that a lot. It means a lot to me. and see you in my next video. Bye.